I'm James DeBose, the founder of J&R Medical. I've been hurt for over 20 years, and in that time, I've learned to become as independent as humanly possible. The stuff that we're showing in this video series is a culmination of 2 decades of trial and error. So hopefully, the tips and tricks that we show will help fast-track your declaration of independence. Being independent isn't always about the essentials, unless you consider grilling an essential, which I do. So this afternoon, we are going to work on declaring your independence by grilling.
Shirts that have buttons. I use a standard button pull, and I'll show you guys a little bit later how that works.
So at this point, I go ahead and pull into my van. If you can probably see, here's a car seat for my daughter. It makes it really easy, you know, being a family man, being a dad, because I'm able to drive and have my daughter here in the seat at the same time.
So what I do is I pull the rest of the chair in. As you're weighing options on chairs, the weight of the chair is really important. I happen to use a titanium chair.
Before you transfer out of your vehicle, go ahead and pop the gas cap and get ready to go.
The following is brought to you by J&R Medical, leading provider of urological supplies. For more information, visit jrmedical.com.